Meaning of English.
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 English. English refers to a West Germanic language that originated in England. It is the third most spoken language in the world, and is widely used both as a native and as a second language. English has become a global lingua franca, used for international communication in fields such as business, science, and entertainment. It has also influenced the development of many other languages around the world. As a result, learning English has become an essential skill for many individuals seeking to advance their careers or engage in cross-cultural communication.